Today, we're checking out a brand new and much smarter way to debloat Windows 11 using the latest Rufus update. Whether you're on Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2, this method can help make your PC cleaner, faster, and less annoying right from the installation process itself. First, download the latest version of Rufus from the link in the description. Make sure it's the newest build released on April 30th. You'll also need a Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website and an empty USB drive. Once you open Rufus, select your USB drive, choose the Windows 11 ISO, and leave the installation type as Standard Windows 11 Installation. You can rename the volume label if you want, and after that, click Start. Now this is where the real magic begins. Rufus opens a hidden customization menu packed with powerful Windows 11 tweaks. You'll see options to bypass TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, and RAM requirements for unsupported PCs. I personally don't recommend disabling those security features unless you absolutely need them for an older computer. One feature I always enable is removing the Microsoft account requirement. This lets you install Windows 11 with a local account instead of being forced to sign in with Outlook or a Microsoft account. You can also skip privacy questions and telemetry prompts during setup, which makes the installation much cleaner and faster. Another extremely useful option is disabling BitLocker's automatic device encryption. Recent Windows 11 updates have caused random BitLocker recovery screen issues for some users, forcing them to find recovery keys through their Microsoft account. Disabling automatic encryption can help avoid that headache entirely. Rufus can also stop Windows from automatically enabling things like Copilot, OneDrive, Outlook integration, and fast startup during installation. So instead of uninstalling a bunch of apps later, you can remove most of the clutter before Windows even boots for the first time. There's also an unattended installation option that can automatically wipe the drive and install Windows for you, but personally, I recommend sticking with a manual install for better control over settings and partitions. If your PC supports it, Rufus also includes support for newer Windows Secure Boot certificates using Windows CA-signed bootloaders, which is a useful security improvement. Once you finish selecting your settings, click OK. Rufus will erase the USB drive and begin creating your debloated Windows 11 installer. After installation, you'll notice a much cleaner Windows experience. No forced Microsoft account, fewer privacy prompts, and less background clutter like Copilot and OneDrive running automatically. Honestly, Rufus 4.14 might be one of the best updates this tool has received in years. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to TechGetter Official, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips, hidden features, and optimization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.